It's bigger, it's more powerful, and it has a removable water tank. But is it actually worth the upgrade? My name is Kat, and I've been cleaning teeth for over 10 years now. I started using the Denatl Pro about 4 months ago, and by the end of this video, you'll know if the upgrade is worth it. Right away, you can tell that it has a larger tank. Most of your retainers will fit into the smaller one, but many of my patients wear sports guards or sleep appliances that are too large and don't fit into the original. The removable water tank is one of those features I didn't even know I needed. But now that I have it, I love it. It makes refilling and cleaning so much easier because I don't have to worry about the cord anymore. And if something isn't quick and convenient, I'm way less likely to use it. You just plug it in, fill it up, add your retainer, turn it on, and that's it. It literally takes seconds to set up. Now the next upgrade is the max clean mode. But here's the problem. I'm a little OCD about clean retainers, and I've had a dental pod for years, so I don't even have dirty retainers anymore. So instead, I sent a Denatl Pod Pro to my editor Josh, who's had his retainer for over 12 years and only ever rinsed it with water. He didn't even know he should be cleaning it until we started making this video. Right away, the max clean mode started removing the 12 years of built up tartar and who knows what else. After just a few cycles, you could see a huge difference. Before I get a bunch of questions asking whether or not it uses cleaning tablets, the answer is yes and no. I run a cleaning cycle about once a week with the tablets, but the rest of the time, I just use water. You can use them more or less often, depending on your preference. But honestly, the ultrasonic waves alone do a great job at keeping your retainers fresh. And since it's an ultrasonic cleaner, it does make a soft hum when it's on, but I wouldn't call it loud, and it only runs for 5 minutes. Honestly, if you can run a dishwasher or a washing machine without thinking twice, this is nothing. The Pro is great for any of you who wear sports guards, sleep guards, or any other large appliances like the Munchie, Tooth Pillow, TMJ retainers, or dentures. But if you already have the original pod and your retainer fits fine, the upgrades are nice, but they're not essential. To me, the removable water tank, the max clean mode, and the bigger size are all solid upgrades and are definitely worth the little extra money. But you are still getting the same high quality ultrasonic clean with either pod. Like I said at the beginning, I'm a little OCD when it comes to having a clean mouth. So for me, the Denatl Pod Pro just makes sense. So as I was shooting B-roll for this video, I realized I never said anything about the quality of the Denatl Pod Pro. When you pull it out of the box, you can immediately tell how well made they are. It won't get water spots on the outside, and no matter what color you choose, it won't chip off. I'll drop the link below if you want to check it out. And if you want more oral hygiene tips, watch this next video here. Before I get a bunch of questions on whether or not you should use cleaning tablets, but I wouldn't call it loud. Honestly, if you can run a dishwasher or a laundry machine